Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're diving into a truly fascinating financial strategy that honestly often flies completely under the radar. We're talking about using fixed-indexed annuities, not just for your own retirement income, but as a seriously powerful alternative to traditional life insurance. We're going to look at how you can use them to build and secure a rock-solid financial legacy for your loved ones. If you've ever felt stuck in your financial planning, well, this is going to open up a whole new world of possibilities for you.
Okay, let's dive right into this. Have you ever been denied life insurance? Or, maybe you've seen the quoted premiums and just realized there is no way you can afford them because of a pre-existing condition. It's an incredibly frustrating wall to hit. You want to protect your family, you want to leave a legacy, but this strict medical underwriting process makes you feel like you're completely out of options. But, as we're going to see today, you absolutely are not.
Section 1. The Life Insurance Barrier, when medical underwriting stands in the way.
Look, for many people dealing with serious chronic or critical health conditions, getting traditional life insurance is just flat out impossible. The carriers require these extensive medical exams, and that underwriting process routinely leads to straight-up denials or premiums that are so astronomically high they just don't make any financial sense. It leaves high-risk individuals completely unprotected, which creates a massive amount of anxiety about what's going to happen to their families.
Section 2. The Annuity Alternative Solution, bypassing the medical exam.
And this brilliantly illustrates the core difference. Traditional life insurance demands invasive medical exams, and it comes with the very real possibility of denial. But fixed-indexed annuities, they require absolutely zero medical underwriting. None. Zero. That means guaranteed acceptance regardless of your health status. It is a completely accessible path to building a secure financial legacy for literally anyone who has been turned away. In fact, to show you just how powerful this alternative can be, consider this right here. Certain annuities offer up to a 50% bonus to your premium right out of the gate. Seriously. The key insight here is that this bonus is only tangible at death. It's designed specifically to supercharge the payout to your beneficiaries. Could an annuity with a 50% death benefit bonus be the exact life insurance alternative you've been searching for? Well, let's unpack how that actually works behind the scenes.
Section 3. Protection and guaranteed growth. The upside without the downside.
So, unlike some traditional life insurance products that rely on fluctuating cash values or, direct stock market investments, a fixed index structure, like the Agility annuity we've seen mentioned in the source material, offers something really unique. During market upswings, your funds have the opportunity to grow based on positive index performance. But during market downturns, your principal is completely shielded from losses. You literally never lose money due to a market decline. It's kind of the perfect balance of upside opportunity and absolute downside protection.
Section 4. Growing your benefit base, supercharging your financial legacy.
Now, what's really interesting about this concept here is that a lot of people confuse the benefit base with cash value. It's absolutely not the same thing. The benefit base doesn't have a direct cash value you can just go and withdraw today. Rather, it is this specialized engine that actually calculates your potential death benefit payout. As this base increases over time, the financial legacy you leave behind is growing right along with it. Let's walk through exactly how this plays out in real time. Step 1. Your funds accumulate during those positive market periods we just talked about. Step 2. Your benefit base grows annually, and that's often at a guaranteed rate or through optional income riders based on index performance. Finally, Step 3. A larger death benefit payout is fully secured for your beneficiaries. The industry calls this legacy assurance, and it's a guaranteed feature that provides some serious peace of mind, completely regardless of what the market is doing.
Section 5. Key tax and timeline facts. What you need to know.
So, the crucial point here is that annuities and life insurance are treated very differently by the IRS. Annuity death benefits are generally subject to ordinary income tax on any gains. However, there's a really powerful strategy here to minimize that. These annuities can pay your beneficiaries out over a 5-year period. Spreading that payout over 5 years minimizes the tax burden significantly. Also, you've got to remember that annuities have surrender charge periods where early withdrawals might incur penalties. So knowing your timelines is absolutely essential to avoiding any unexpected costs.
Section 6. Your independent broker advantage. Navigating with diversified insurance brokers.
When you're dealing with your life savings and, more importantly, your family's future, you really don't want to be pushed into a single proprietary product. Diversified Insurance Brokers is an independent agency with literally the largest selection of annuity carriers in the entire country. They maintain active contracts with over 100 highly rated companies. And because they're an independent broker, they actively shop this massive market for you. They do the legwork to find the exact right fit,
the right bonuses, and the right riders for your specific legacy goals. Let's move to this and see how this builds. Driving those decisions is some serious real-world expertise. Jason Stoles, the chief underwriter at Diversified Insurance Brokers, brings over 25 years of experience to the table. His whole approach is entirely education first. He really focuses on helping clients evaluate carriers, compare strategies, and build plans that are both highly secure and incredibly cost-efficient. For him, it's all about giving you clarity, not just making a sale.
This is what we call the diversified advantage. As an independent agency, they do all the heavy lifting of shopping the market for you. They've built an amazing track record with over 100,000 satisfied clients who trust them to secure their financial goals. And honestly, the best part? They offer a free, no-obligation consultation. You can just have them review your specific situation and see if an annuity life insurance alternative is the right move for you.
Well, we've covered a lot of ground today in this explainer. From bypassing that incredibly frustrating medical underwriting wall to locking in guaranteed growth and supercharging your benefit base, it really all comes down to this final thought. If you've been turned down for life insurance, or if you're just looking for a much more secure, protected way to pass on your wealth, are you ready to build a legacy that outlasts the market?